All right, good viewers. It's a privilege to have you once again on our channel, and to our core members that are viewing this. I really want to welcome you to Fish College. And for some time we have not uploaded videos on our channel, and the reason being that I broke down, was having malaria and typhoid. I have to have some rest, and those who have been following our activities in A2 Fish Farm, one of the fast-growing fish farms in the country, where fingerlings, juvenile, post fingerlings, jumbo are produced in large quantity. You have been seeing what I've been doing. Some people have started patronizing. You can equally patronize us. You can equally be an agent to be buying our product and be selling. So right now we are in NYC camp in Ondo State to facilitate and train the core members on agricultural skills, starting from fish farming to other practice. And the core members, as you're going to watch, they are full of life, and I want to use this opportunity to motivate every youth that is watching our video, to let you know that you don't need to sit down there and jump up and be complaining that things are hard. One of the best things you can do to yourself is to embrace skills and think on how you can put it into work and use it and help yourself. And I'd like you to understand that our nation Nigeria is loaded with opportunities. So if you can acquire this skill, be a fish farming or any other skill, and you follow our mentorship guide, I assure you it will be very much easy for you to start the business, and it will be very much easy for you to get employment in a very good place. As you're watching this video, because we want to give you an introductory part of what you're doing, because today being today that is what? Yes, Abu? 10th. Today being 10th of November 2022, we just commenced our training to empower core members in Ondo State, batch 631 2022 on agro skill acquisition. And to the core members that are watching us, I want to encourage you to harness this opportunity. Our training is going to be intensive. It's going to be intensive. It's going to be full loaded with practicals. So I said before, don't allow this opportunity to pass you by. Our federal government have really tried in making this training a reality, by bringing in facilitators to equip you with skills. And by the grace of God, we have the experience, we have the skills, we have everything you need to do very much better. So I will encourage you to utilize this wonderful opportunity. So as you watch the testimony that is coming, I would like you to get inspired to do much better than what you see the core members sharing their testimony have done. I'm sure you are going to give it the best. Then to our followers, I would like you to put more energy in everything you are doing. No good success comes easy. No good success comes easy. Then I want to encourage you, to inspire you. If you are yet to get our manual is just how much? Just 5,000 naira. The reason why I keep encouraging to get the manual is that our manual, with the help of the manual, everything you need to know. Let me just say 90% of what you need to know about fish farming is there. Then you can subscribe to our online mentorship platform. We assure you that we'll give you quality guide that will enable you to be well established. So this is Fish College. I love you, and I really say let me take this time to give you updates on what you have been doing. And I assure you, as you can see, we're looking stronger and better, and we're gonna give you much more videos, much more documentaries. So in case you need our products, do not fail to call us. We are always available to send our products to you. So we love you. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, I wonder what you're waiting for. Subscribe to the channel right now and do it, and I'll be happy you get it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I actually know that you'll be wondering what we are doing at this point in time. So this is just the introductory part, and today is our first day of our training. And there is this fear that people used to have, and that fear is how to start. One of the challenge which youth normally have is how to raise capital to start. So today we do not necessarily start with our physical practicals, cooperative group, whereby 2 or 3 persons can merge together with you with available resources to get started. And when you are coming in terms of fish farming, the basic things that are highly needed is 1, you need water. When we need water, you need a reliable source of water that can enable you to always change water and utilize it for the healthy growth of the fish. Then you need power. You need power. When I mean power, light to enable you pump your water. Then you also need the right knowledge. And when you're talking about the right knowledge, you don't need to depend on the knowledge you have to know. You need to get materials, you need to visit farms, you need to study deep, you need to interact with existing farmers to know the prospects, to know every possible things that you can do to make success in the business. So there are a lot of things which will actually take time to teach them, and we be careful to expose this youth to the various opportunities in fish farming, ranging from catfish production, which is breeding and management of breeded fish, to table size, and also value chain. When you're talking about value chain, is processing of this fish to other products that you can market and sell, e.g. making of catfish pepper soup, making of barbecue, smoke, drying of fish. So the class is actually very much interactive. You can see a lot of questions coming up, and to prove to you that our youths are always eager to learn, and we take time in this day one. We actually take time to get the possible questions that are available, and then to prepare the hearts for the subsequent practicals we'll be doing. So this is Fish College. While watching this video, if you know you're yet to subscribe to our channel, I wonder what you're still waiting. Why not click on the subscription button? And if you have any contribution, any question you want to ask, you can equally drop it at the comments, and I assure you we are always ready to answer you and to respond to your comment. Just to remind you, I want you to know that we always have fingerling, post-fingerling and juvenile to sell. We always have fingerling, post-fingerling and juvenile to sell. And as you all know, one of the things we are promoting this channel is breeding, because we are always reliable in terms of production. In case you want fast growing fish, you can always call our line and we will supply you. If you know you are still having challenge in your farm and you need our mentorship guide, you can equally call us or chat us up, and we will guide you and put you through on whatever challenge you are passing through. So before you listen to the testimony, there's a documented testimony from one of our ESCOM members who has been doing wonderfully well. So we actually add the testimony to this clip to inspire youth to do much more better. So as you listen to the testimony, my good Lord continue to bless you. Thank you. Cheers. Enjoy yourself. We love you so much.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Ukombo Ayin Ajeto. I'm an ESCOM member. I served in Ondo State 2021, but this one. During my camping period, before I went to camp, I have no knowledge about fish farming or anything pertaining to it, because in school I was not an agri student. I was a management student. I studied management. But when I came to camp, there was a program in camp called SAED. When they mentioned it, I thought it's someone's name. But when they introduced it to us, they explained what SAED means, and they give us many options to choose among many. So I decided to give into fish farming, which is agro allied SAED. And my humble mentor, Mr. Joel Wanchuku, is the best of all. During my income study, I took it serious, and he also saw the interest in me, and he decided to pick me up. He brought me and trained me. Throughout my service here, he trained me well. I was able to do the training. He taught me how to hatch fish. From the fry, when they are small, when they are very tiny, that you hardly see them. From there, I can groom them to become fingerling, from there to post fingerling, to juvenile, to jumbo, up to table size. We do that. Then, after my service year, what he trained us actually was in two ways: the farming and the marketing aspect of it. So in the marketing aspect, he taught me how to prepare pepper soup, to prepare fish barbecue, and how to dry fish. And it is perfect. Right now, as I'm speaking to you as an ESCOM member, I'm proud of myself, I'm proud of him for making this wonderful impact through the NYC SAED. After my service here, I went back to my base. In fact, when I was leaving, he was not even happy for me leaving, but when I went to my base, immediately, without waiting for a job, I set up a shop. The shop is located at St. John's Road, beside Toscani Garden. If you go to just out of St. John's Road, Toscani Garden, you see my shop there is Fish Club, where you can go there and enjoy yourself. The best you can get is fish products. So after staying there for a while, I got a call from him asking me to come down and meet him. In fact, I was so reluctant to come, but I made up my mind that since he's calling me, let me just come. But coming to meet him for the second time after my NYC year, it is a wonderful experience. As you can see here now, this is A2 farm. In fact, in Nigeria, this farm is one among the big and the best farms. Now, me coming here, it's not that I drop any application or any interview have been conducted to me. But this is a great opportunity. It's an employment that people are looking for, they cannot get. But I'm saying this because what we can do, this will have to do is very much important than what we see in the class and learn. My management course I studied in school, I did not even have any space in the labor market to find myself, but here I'm working with Harvey and the welfare is wonderful. To proceed, I want to encourage each and every one of you to be a present corps member or a prospective corps member if you are coming. Take it and make it a duty that you participate in SAED. It is not easy out there. When we were in camp, they were telling us that the job is not easy. We will not understand until we finish our 1 year service and allowing self-entry. Seriously, things are not easy. SAED is not a scam. NYC is not a scam. If you develop yourself very well, I'm telling you, when you go out there, you like yourself and you fall in love with SAED generally. So, okay, now, for you to verify what I'm saying, because in life we have some doubting Thomas. Some people, no matter how you tell them, what you tell them, they'll never believe you until they see. Now I want to use this video and show you our product, what this has used to produce. Let's go around and see. Look at this here, this fish here, this wonderful fingerlings. This fish you are seeing, they are 3 weeks. This fish are 3 weeks fish and they are fingerlings. Let's move on. We have enough here. This pond alone, this is a single pond. You can count up to 12,000 fingerlings. Let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, look at this one here. They are just 2 weeks and they are very much active. If you count them, you get like 15,000 just a single pond. This is another set here. They are also 3 weeks. I can see them moving up and down. They are very, very happy. Let's go to the next one. Kingdom. A2 fish farm is the best in Nigeria and in Africa. let's take them to our the juvenile. Let them see the juvenile too.
Let's go.
These are jumbo size. These are jumbo size. You can see they have different sizes. Okay, I think I've seen all this. So presently, I just want to appreciate the NYC SAED. I want to appreciate NYC. I want to praise my humble facilitator, Mr. Chuku. I also want to appreciate A2 Fish Farm for this privilege. It's a wonderful opportunity given to me. This is a lifetime opportunity. Now this is A2 Fish Farm in the hatchery department. It's just 1 month and some weeks old, and you can see what we have on ground. It's much amazing, and I pray that the Almighty God will bless SAED, not SAED. will bless my facilitator, Mr. Chuku, and A2 Farm. Anywhere you are in Nigeria or even outside, because we are intention is to explore fish, the world with fish. So anywhere you are in Nigeria and you need fish, fingerlings from different sizes, fingerlings, post fingerlings, juveniles and jumbo, just talk to us at A2 Fish Farm. We are here to give you the best. Thank you and God bless you all. Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Kukombo Ayinandeko. I'm an ESCO member. I served in Ondo State, precisely in 2021, batch 331. Before I came to camp, I was not an agriculture student nor had any knowledge concerning fish. But during our in-camp training, they introduced us to SAED, and there was several options among the fish. I picked the choice of fish farming, and to the glory of God, right now there, let me say I'm an expert in fish aspect. During my in-camp training, I took it seriously, and after which I proceed to my post-camp training. I also took it seriously. After my NY service year, okay, then while I was in my NYC year, I learned many things about fish farming. One, I learned how to hatch fish. Now I can hatch fish very well. Then I had to train fish while we were in camp. We train it from fingerlings to juvenile to jumbo up to the table size, and we were able to